Well, we got a fresh battery and it says you are here. I think this is the Bajada nature trail. It's a little short trail, but I was just up here, so I came back down here. Did this, well, I didn't do the whole loop, I did out and back. But it's windy here, so I put the spongy thing back on. And one thing I did notice with the sponges, it you know, holds in the heat to the camera. So if it's hot outside, the camera's going to overheat more. So, but it's breezy and cool down here. I left my backpack in the car because this is a short walk. It's on a guided path, but it's windy. Maybe I should have brought my my little jacket here. I don't know, but yeah, very windy here. Bajada Trail. Okay, let's try it without the jacket. It's just kind of a loopy thing here, so maybe I'll get warmed up as I go along here. But there's, it's supposed to be a nature trail. I don't see too much nature. It looks a little bit devoid here, but brittle bush here. Looks kind of dried out. Like I said, we did have rain here. Maybe this part of the park didn't get any rain here. Creosote, yeah, lots of creosote here. Yeah, creosote always does pretty good. So yeah, pretty barren here, pretty barren, not much happening here. All right, this one says, hard to read with the reflection, desert magic. You can stop the vid if you want to read that, and we'll keep on going down here. All right, we got this one called Octio, or Octio, but it's got orange, it's got nothing on it there but thorns, but it's got some little orange stuff on it there, so it's doing something there. All right, Chuparosa, no birdie here, but yeah, all right, you can't see it too well, but it looks like a dead bush there, but it's all dried out. Not much there. All right, keep going on the pathway here. Like I said, not a lot in this nature trail, not a lot here. Well, this is Deadwood, not to be confused with the excellent HBO TV series Deadwood, which I really enjoyed. But yeah, that's Deadwood, all right. I don't think it grew like that. I think it just died. And we're talking about, you know, this is what happens here with termites and everything. But that, yeah, that's Deadwood, all right, for sure. Okay, almost back to the parking lot here. Okay.